everyone. My name is Daza Carganilla and we're here at Lufthansa Technik Philippines. We just did a fire protection system testing and we're here to interview some of the representatives.
I am Reynaldo Lontok, the manager of the Airport Ground Operations Safety Division of MIA.
Okay, for the first question, what do you know about fire and life safety?
It pertains to life. You say it's life and safety.
Yes.
It's always
Two things?
Yeah, it always goes in one. When it pertains to passengers.
Okay, sir, for the second question, have you ever witnessed a test and commissioning of a fire protection system for aircraft hangars?
Yeah, I did. But it's not aircraft, but it's JOCAS, if you will.
Oh, okay.
This is my first time to witness what they did here.
Yeah.
And I'm very surprised. They told me it's first in the Philippines.
Yeah. It was amazing. That's what we cater, a greater degree of fire protection.
Yes.
I'm the Vice President for Base Improvement and Support. I handle facilities and all constructions related projects here in the city.
Okay.
Being in aviation, actually, fire and life safety is our major priority here. So all investments in all our hangar actually involves or is equipped with fire and life safety. So we're making sure that our employees here are working safely with all the customers here.
Okay, sir.
Just recently, we completed the testing of Hangar Bay 1A.
1A.
So I believe that's a successful testing, and considering that there's new technology actually included by our contractor for the fire protection system, Ron Fire. It's really a good experience to see that this technology is working in our industry.
Thank you so much for that answer, sir. That's what we cater, a greater degree of fire protection.
Ako po si Mr. Cecilio Bulima Jr. Masyadong mahalaga po ang with regards to fire safety. Kasi anytime magkakaroon ng problema with regards to fire, so talagang para sa akin talagang napakahalaga po. Opo ma'am, nakapag-witness na po ako.
Oh, kamusta po?
Maayos po. Maganda,
Okay po.
maganda po yung naging resulta nito.
Opo. Lalo yung kanina, sir.
Opo, yung kaninang ginawa natin ay napakaganda. Tama-tama.
Ben Flores from Lufthansa Technik Philippines. I'm the Division Manager of Facility Management Division.
Okay, sir. How about you, ma'am?
And I'm Manuel Alonso from Grants Fund Development Corporation. I'm the Engineering Manager for Safety. For safety ng tao na nasa isang room or nasa isang establishment, and then prevention ng loss of lives. So yun yung pinaka-isa.
Yeah, basically the same as Malin said, but it's important that we know how to protect the lives, the lives of others, especially during the time of emergencies. So
Yes, sir.
life safety and fire protection can interacts together to save life.
Yes?
Yes, this morning.
Okay.
My first time.
This is your first time,
Yeah,
okay?
But nakapanood na ako previously ng demo, but this is the first time.
How was it, ma'am?
Galing talaga yung presentation. Yung, I mean, the actual testing kanina, most especially yung sprinkler at the rear side. Talagang yun ang tinutukan ka. Ang ganda talaga. Ang ganda.
Thank you.
Safety picture.
Thank you so much for that, ma'am. How about you, sir?
Yeah, for me, we've been working with the Ron Fire systems for the last 22 years. It helps Lufthansa Technik Philippines in complying with the fire protection systems in terms of aircraft safety and facility safety. So the last one was Bay 1.
Day 1?
Where it was tested and commissioned by Ron Fire. Still is the recent one,
Yes, sir.
1A. But prior to that, Basic 7A. Yeah,
Okay.
Basic 7A.
Yeah,
was,
you've been with Ron
yeah,
Fire.
My name's Alan Hunter. I'm the project director for consultant for Lufthansa Technik. I'm here to look after Lufthansa's interest on this Hangar 1A project. Well, fire and life safety I've done globally. So fire safety is speciality. It must be right to protect the public. When I was brought here by Lufthansa, construction's construction. It doesn't matter what you're building. And it's been a lot of hard work, this one, to be honest with you. The fire protection in this, I've never seen before. The American system and on fire, it's just spectacular.
It's pretty impressive, right?
Very impressive,
Yes.
and I've never seen nothing like this. And
Thank you.
if I go around the world and other people will need me, I would definitely bring Ron Fire into it.
Thank you. That's why it's a greater degree of fire protection.
Yes,
Thank you so
100%.
much, sir, for your time. Really enjoy it.
You're
And
very welcome.
thank you.
Key factors in completing this project, I believe there are two. First is planning, and the other is execution. Under planning, of course, is the engineering. What we did was to follow NFPA 409 and adapt to the client's needs. Under execution, what we did was to choose the latest and most advanced technology for fire protection system components. That helped a lot in speeding the installation works while maintaining quality. Thank you, gentlemen.